Quality check on line 3 initiated.
Tolerance levels are holding steady. Looks good for military spec.
Confirmed from the floor. Proceeding with the next batch.
From secure material receiving to advanced manufacturing and global deployment, we maintain military-grade specifications. We implement strict military engineering protocols to ensure operational effectiveness in extreme environments, maintaining the stress parameters achieved. Data confirms structural integrity. Seal the analysis. Operational effectiveness is green.
Quality control confirms all structural integrity protocols are met.
Initializing final system scan. Data incoming now.
Approved.
Combat-proven methodologies ensure operational effectiveness. We are validating hardened system integrity for global military deployment. Tactical performance metrics are nominal. Laser engagement successful on target 4. Operational effectiveness confirmed. Ready for deployment. Our classified research protocols utilize advanced materials processing to meet defense-grade specifications. All systems online and calibrated to spec. UI confirms operational effectiveness.
Protocols verified. Vehicle is cleared for deployment.
Strategic logistics coordination validates operational effectiveness, ensuring rapid global deployment of critical assets. Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement military engineering protocols for operational readiness. Implementing military engineering protocols ensures defense contractor excellence in every phase of production, guaranteeing operational effectiveness globally.
Guidance system calibration check complete. All parameters nominal.
Certification protocols verified. Unit is green for combat readiness deployment. Tactical systems integration coordinates classified quality control with defense contractor oversight, ensuring operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment. Through rigorous manufacturing protocols, we achieve full operational readiness validation, ensuring effectiveness for immediate global military deployment. Classified testing procedures validate operational effectiveness, utilizing advanced equipment to ensure readiness for global military deployment.
From initial certification protocols and advanced manufacturing to final quality assurance and tactical deployment.
Implementing strict military engineering protocols ensures hardened system integrity in every defense-grade component we fabricate.
QA check complete on Unit 305170.
Initiating secure packaging protocol.
Secure tactical performance testing in simulated combat scenarios, ensuring operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
Tactical readiness confirmed on all units in Sector 4.
Initiate global deployment protocols.
This specific feature must meet the MCP-001 standard.
Confirmed. The tensile strength reports align with the engineering protocols.
Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement military engineering protocols to ensure tactical readiness.
Defense manufacturing sequence showing combat-proven methodologies optimizing operational readiness validation for military deployment, utilizing classified production equipment.
Engineering protocols updated. Material transfer verified.
Affirmative. Operational effectiveness is at 100%.
Simulation results confirm Milstead compliance. Good.
Upload the engineering protocols for the next sequence. Status update on the tactical system integration.
All parameters are within military-grade specifications. Ready for final sequence.
Engineering protocols confirmed. Systems check complete. Operational readiness validated. Acknowledged. Ready for deployment sequence.
Phase 2 stress test initiated. Recoil stabilization is nominal.
Copy that. Uploading performance data to Global Command.
Quality protocols confirmed. Unit 7 proceeding to deployment phase.
Acknowledged. Global distribution network is live.
Integration sequence nominal. Tolerances holding at 99.7%.
Acknowledged. Confirming operational readiness protocols. Implementing military engineering protocols and maintaining strategic manufacturing precision.
We ensure absolute system integrity and operational effectiveness, maintaining combat readiness throughout global military deployment.
Manifest confirmed against protocols. Seal integrity checked.
Level 5 verification complete. You are clear for deployment.
Utilizing classified production equipment, we integrate hardened electronics, maintaining military-grade specifications for guaranteed operational effectiveness. Our facilities integrate military standard testing under combat simulation conditions, ensuring battlefield-tested performance.
Check the wiring harness connection against the schematic here.
Looks good. The tolerances are within spec for the environmental controls.
Advanced materials processing synchronized. Phase 2 initiated.
Stress tests nominal.
Military-grade precision equipment manufacturing. Precision weapons integration maintaining strict tolerances and military certification compliance.
ML spec certification status passed.
Initiate final combat readiness protocols.
Our classified manufacturing systems adhere strictly to military engineering protocols, ensuring battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness.
Implementing strict military engineering.
The tactical performance metrics are stabilizing within the required parameters. Confirmed. Operational reliability requirements are met.
Priority 1 confirmed. Reroute the shipment through the Suez immediately.
Acknowledged. Updating the strategic deployment schedule now.
Level 5 clearance is mandatory for this phase. Any deviation compromises the entire classified production.